Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you're having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video, I wanted to show you the inside of the business model that I started doing. It's affiliate marketing, but I've been getting a lot of questions asked. People ask, what do they actually get once they sign up and they want to do this amazing business model? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to start earning from the comfort of your home, this video will be helping you out a lot, right? So as you can see, this is the training that we actually get access to once we join this amazing system, right? Why I'm saying this system? Because it's like a franchise model, right? So the system I'm saying is because it's working for so many people, and it's like literally plug and play system, right? And if you are a complete beginner, if you want to look for other alternative apart from your 9 to 5, right? And if you even retired, if you are a single mom, if you haven't got that college education, you can do this business model is because we have all the training on the inside which you can take and start implementing and start to get success with the system, right? So you can see on the inside, we have the Home Business Funnel Academy, right? You might be asking, what is a funnel academy, right? So these are the products that we actually get access to once we join the system, right? So this is a funnel academy. So you might have seen a funnel, right? I quickly share with you what I mean by a funnel, right? So if you're a complete beginner, you might not know what a funnel is. So something like this, it's called a funnel, right? So inside the training, we teach people how you can build a funnel, right? But for example, if you don't know anything about building a funnel, right? Me personally, I don't build funnels, right? Because I'm not a very technical person, right? And pretty much what I do, I just take this training and then I implement. And what I do, I don't just promote the products, I promote the entire business system and the model, right? So as you can see, this is a funnel, and inside the training, you get access to how you can actually learn how to build the funnel, right? So this is one of the products that we get access to. And then we have all this training on the inside, which you can go and learn how you can actually build someone else's funnel or even a website, right? So even just alone on Fiverr, people charge a lot of money to build someone's website, right? So you can literally take these things that you're going to be learning on inside the Funnel Builder Academy, and then take that same knowledge, and then you can do a gig on Fiverr and charge people a ton of money, right? I know people who charge a lot of money on Fiverr, and you can be one of them, right? So this is one of the product. And then this product, you can see, this is the traffic and conversion things that you learn. So this actually tells you how you can get people inside your funnel, right? And so now you know how to build a funnel. Now you should know how you can get people inside your funnel, because if you don't have traffic on your funnel, there's no the business won't be successful, right? So you should know how you can drive traffic inside your funnel, right? So, and in here we have a lot of training that actually goes over different methods that you can use to get traffic inside your funnel, right? So in here we have all these free methods, right? So YouTube, we have, so for person who wants to become successful with YouTube, right? This actual training really helped me out understanding how YouTube actually works, right? So this is just one of the training in here. It's really helped me out to learn how YouTube works, right? I knew how YouTube works, but because of the in-depth training that I learned inside on this program, it actually might be realized that there's so much of learning people need to do to become successful, right? And you got keyword research. It's like in-depth training on every aspect of YouTube. We got 15 modules just on YouTube alone, right? And then we have training on different strategy, how you can use free methods, Facebook ads method. Like I haven't seen all this stuff anywhere else apart from this, right? So another cool thing that I really love is really help me out with my own YouTube automation business is this access we get to this amazing content creation machine. So you might be asking, what is this content creation machine? So content creation machine is pretty much, for example, if you want to just write email and drive traffic through blogs, if you want to make YouTube videos and you want to write YouTube script, this actual content creation machine will literally just write the script for you, right? So you can just type in, I want to make money online from YouTube, and you want to create a video based on that topic. You can literally come here and then write, and then it will just come up with a script for you, and then you can take that script and make a video out of that script, right? So this is very different to ChatGPT, because ChatGPT does a lot of things, right? It's not purely designed to write content, right? Whereas this thing here that you're going to get full access to, you can literally come in here and write any script, anything you want in terms of script and content creation, right? So, which is really good. I really love this. And just alone on this, by using this method, just on one YouTube automation channel video, I made $1,500, right? Because of the power of this amazing tool, right? So I got access to that. Then you got so many other things in here, like we have mastermind calls, just showing people what is actually working right now, right? So we got marketing masterminds, we got traffic and conversion, we get daily grow rich call, right? And it's all in here for anyone, complete beginner, no matter what your college education is, no matter what's your age, right? We got people in the community that's like 70, 80 year old, 60 year old, 50 year old. So you got no limits, and literally people from all over the world we have inside the community, which is really good to mastermind with, right? So if you're alone trying to get successful online, you might have bought so many other courses and still not getting that help and support, right? I highly recommend you to check this out, right? Because me personally, I have got a lot of courses, I've got a lot of programs, I've invested in myself in a lot of different mentors, but nothing came so close to this, because all the support, and it's like really heart-centered community, right? So you know that there's always going to be people there to help, support, and guide you every single step of the way, right? Which I really love. So we got traffic and conversion, and we got this amazing product here, Financial Literacy Academy, which is, if you want to save your taxes, if you want to grow your business, if you want to multiply your money, if you want to learn different ways how you can be making money online, right? This is it, right? Amazing product, amazing courses in here. You got this one, I highly recommend. I really love this. It's called Gorilla Money Strategy. Look at these guys. This is literally people who are really successful, and the person who's earning 7 figures with his online business, he created that Gorilla Money Strategy, right? So you know the method that he actually taught is actually working for him, and then he gave access to all this training so we can take, implement, and grow, and also at the same time save our taxes, right? So that's how we actually get really wealthy. And then we got affiliate zone training. We got so in-depth training on every aspect of it, right? So before I end this video, before this program, I also invested in another high ticket program, right? Which wasn't getting me any results, right? And pretty much The company was online consistent money system, right? I invested my money for that program, and when I got inside, I literally got no support whatsoever. So if you also in the same situation, you're investing money, you're not getting anywhere, you're not getting any traction, right? I'm here to say it is possible, right? So if you want to get in touch with me, I leave a link beneath this video. So what you need to do, if you're watching this video, you need to just go in here to get access to this amazing system. Right, what you're gonna do is click this. You might be watching this video, so go beneath the description, right? Simple. And what you need to do is just to get access to the amazing system, right? Because I'll click on this, right? So this first link, you need to go and click that first link and then enter your email address, right? Make sure it's the right email address, because if it's a wrong email address, I won't be able to send you free gift, right? You're going to get free gift sent to your email, right? So once you've done that, you need to click this box here, watch now, and then you're going to get access inside the training, right? This is the training. This is the actual system that's allowing me to earn passive income online, right? So I'm using free methods at the moment. I'm not paying for anything, right? And you literally can do the same thing, right? So all you do is read all this information, click this box and get access to the system, right? So once you get access, from my side as a bonus, I'll literally set up your funnel, right? I'll connect all your backend. I'll connect all your autoresponders and everything. I'll give you the best traffic source to use, right? It's my method, and you can see my results in my channel. And every day I'm getting growing and then earning that recurring commission month after month, right? So you get access to all this training, and then you get free bonus from the company, right? So once you've done that, click this button here and then go ahead and do the checkout. That way you get access to the training, and that way you can also make sure you get in touch with me. I'll leave a link for my Facebook profile. You can get access to me, and I'll be here to support, guide you every single step of the way. So again, thank you so much for watching, taking out your time to watch this amazing video, and until next time, I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye for now.